Hi, in this video I'm gonna explain how to use G.O.A.T mode control on your 2024 Ford Bronco with 1.5 EcoBoost engine. The G.O.A.T mode control stands for goes over any type of terrain, and those modes you can select for different driving conditions. So on this vehicle, if you look at the middle console, you can see that little rounded shifter knob where it says G.O.A.T modes. So how you operate that while you are in parking, you can just rotate that knob to the right side, and then you can switch to your dashboard, and now you can see you can switch the modes right there. So in this vehicle we have normal mode. Normal mode is for your everyday driving, and this mode is a balance of excitement, comfort and convenience. And this is also a default mode after each ignition cycle. Now next mode on this vehicle is Eco mode, and Eco mode you want to select if you want to have efficient driving. This mode helps deliver maximum fuel efficiency and helps to increase driving range. Next mode is a sport mode. This mode is for a sporty driving with improved performance, handling and response. This mode increases accelerate pedal response and provides a sportier steering feel. Next mode is a slippery mode. This mode you can use when you have less than ideal road conditions, such as snow or ice covered roads. And the last mode we have on this vehicle is a sand mode. Sand mode, this mode you can use for the off-road driving when your terrain is soft, dry sand or deep sand conditions. So whichever condition you have, you can adjust your driving mode. I hope this video was helpful to you. If you like it, please subscribe to my channel and like this video. Thanks for watching.